everyone, you can watch my videos in your first language now. Click the settings button, audio track, and select a language of your choice. Like Portuguese.
E é detalhado sobre o vídeo do Starboard, curar niveles e outras funções.
3% लोगों ने ही मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब.
Di video kali ini, saya akan menunjukkan cara
皆
mengatur
さん、こんにちは。このビデオでは、スタトックの設定方法
You'll find other options too, like French, German, Italian, and Polish. So enjoy! I've received a ton of questions about free orbs and Nitro. People ask the most common questions many times, so I'll answer them at once. Before that, only 5.4% of you have subscribed to my channel. Make sure you subscribe now because this channel is the only one that gives you regular updates about the free Nitro and makes tutorials on Discord. We are also super close to 11,000 subscribers. So subscribe now and join my Discord server. The first question is, some people have 9,790 orbs, but you have only around 300 to 500 orbs. Why is that? Well, before Discord released the orbs feature, they allowed others to try it for free. I was one of them. As a beta tester, I got 4,000 orbs in total even before the feature was released. Hope that sums it up for you. Second question, hey, I am a phone user. Can I claim orbs from my phone? The answer is, I have no clue. But 90 to 98%, nope, you can't claim orbs with your phone for now, even with opening Discord on your browser. You can only claim free avatar decors. But the only solution is borrow a laptop of PC from your friend or parents and claim your free orbs. Third question, I can't see Orbs Quest or I can't see the offer. Where's the offer? The answer is, well, I don't know. Go ask Discord about it. They're the one giving out 700 orbs, not me. Either you are extremely unlucky to not receive 700 orbs offer or you're from one of the countries where Discord features are banned. You're probably using VPN to chat. Alright, so there's one 700 orbs still pending, and you guys have to make haste if you haven't claimed this one. It's about Discord and World of Tanks 2.0 collab. It's a 2 minutes watch. Make sure to stay on your screen, otherwise, the moment you change the screen, the video will pause. After claiming your free orbs, you can purchase anything you want from the exclusive orb shop. Scroll all the way down and click this button for more option. Here you can filter out which type of decor you want by click avatar decorations or profile effects or anything else that's mentioned. Now mind you, Discord allows you to purchase the decor with your orbs, but it also allows you to purchase it with money. Not all of them can be bought with orbs. Some new ones require you to spend money. After purchasing one of the effects, this will stay permanent in your inventory or whatever you like to call it. So yeah, that's it about this video. There's nothing more to talk about. If you want free server decors and layouts, just join my Discord server. So join now. Link is in the video's description. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button to have a better chance of getting free Nitro, and hey, join my server too.